Good morning and Happy New Year, guys. This is the surprise I wanted to show you. Y'all can tell I'm on some cleared property. There's still a little bit of trash. Gotta get a boat out of the yard. If y'all don't recognize this already, there used to be a house right here. A big 5-bedroom house. It was junk. Trash all down the side. Got that all cleaned up. We got some pushed into the back. And I got a big fire. Yeah, that's my shed. Big tree I got to get down in my house over here with my trailer and my RV. So we cleared this out and put a trailer over here. And a couple weeks I got to get another track hoe so I can get rid of this. It looks bad, but it's not that bad. It goes quick. A lot of it burns. And haul off the rest of it and scrap. But yeah, it's 150 by 110. So the idea was they had a garage right here. They turned into a bedroom. Slab's still here in really good shape. So we're going to use it as a carport. Let me zoom out here where y'all can see. Yeah. We use this as a carport. And that's the front porch of the old house. And the step's still there. So we're going to start the trailer here. It's going to go to where that stick is there. It's 16 feet by 72. It'll be almost over there by that tree. This is where the master bedroom of it used to be. You can tell that ledge. It's all gone. I'm so glad. I've been cleaning over here for so long. But yeah, the trailer should go about right here somewhere. That'll leave 15-ish feet or so to drive around and get to the back and all that. And then once I get all that clear out, way back behind them two big trees here, and there's two big trees way back there, is the other end of the property line. So I'll have all that cleaned up, have all that plus my other 100 by 66 that's over there. I got a big L that this is, like that. So yeah, I got to rent another track hoe, and after that, I should pretty much have it done. So, but that's why I've been so tired, wore out, can't do videos. Been doing this and putting the engine in my truck, getting everything done. But yeah, see, you can't even tell. I still got, its property is way back there in the back by this little bitty tree. I got to go around to get to it. But yeah, we're getting there. I haven't got to touch none of this yet because I have to get that set up first. And well, I got some of it cleared so I could get more trash. But see, the trash pile is not all the way to the back. It's just right there and right there and out there. It's pretty big, yeah, but not unmanageable. I threw some stuff over here too and piled up there, and then I got a pile back there. And more than likely, about where all this stuff is, I'm going to build a pond. My shed will be moved and all that. This tree will be gone. It's not dead. It's just leaning right toward my house. So yeah, that's the big surprise. Well, for me it is. But yeah. I got a lot of property here. The whole thing's like 400 foot from here all the way up to there. It's 110 feet wide. And then I got this 66. It goes way over there by 100. So it makes this 210 feet right here. And then I got almost 200 feet back that way, and then dividing that up for 150 foot by 110. But anyway, got this out finally, and gonna keep moving. We're gonna make good progress now. We got means to, so that's what we gonna do and keep on. Yeah, see, there's the property line right there. That's the fence. And yeah, see, now I'm behind these three big trees. Yep. There's some more trash. So yeah, getting her cleaned up, getting her done. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends about us, help the channel grow. And till next time, later.